Do stay with me, by the way, as I speak to Fifi Encho, who is a social performance manager of Tullow Ghana Limited. That's the institution that's rolling out the STEM radio school, which we saw in the Elembele community there. Mr. Encho, it's good to have you. Thank you for your time this afternoon. Now, the sort of need that you identified at Elembele, for which reason you put in this intervention. Can you give us a brief background on it?
Thank you very much. So for the past 3 years, Tullow has been undertaking the after-school support and STEM initiative for students within our enclave, that is the 6 coastal districts of the Western region. And this is part of our social responsibility initiatives, socioeconomic investments, basically aimed at providing support to students to pass their BEC. And also at the secondary school level, provide a lot more support to students to pass their WASI, and also have students develop interest in STEM education. Now, as part of it, we've had very good pass rates in the BEC for students within our area of influence, talking about the Western region, and also at the WASI. When COVID came in with the government directive on social distancing and the school closure, we then decided to re-engineer this program and then provide it on so that the support that we've been providing to students as Tullow would continue, and then the benefits and also the successes we've chalked in the past would not be lost. So basically, that is the whole idea of it.
I just love to hear from you, because you have been on the ground interacting with these children and you've put together a program that seems to be working for these kids. What would you, if you get the chance, for example, to speak to any of the policy makers? Now we're being told to learn to live with coronavirus. So if you were to advise any of these policy makers, what sort of advice will it be based on your experience with this project that you're doing in Elembele?
Thank you very much. Tullow is a thought leader when it comes to initiatives such as this. And even at our place, proud to COVID, we had introduced the flexi working hours and also working from home policy. So when this came up, Tullow quickly met up with the implementer, and then we had a discussion around moving this onto radio so that we do not lose the successes we've chalked. So for policymakers that are listening, and also for other key influencers when it comes to the education sector, what we can say is that we need to be a little bit more innovative in ensuring that we provide avenues where students can still continue learning. Of course, it will never be as it was before, but there are very good opportunities. We get the opportunity to reach a lot more students, and also we have the opportunity for the student to have even continuous education from their teachers who are listening in and provide the support. So I think we just need to be a little bit more innovative in the way we provide support for it.
Well, I pray that other corporate entities around the country will be able to pick up from this initiative and help the students and the pupils around those communities. But finally, what's in the future for this particular program, not just in the Elembele constituency? Do you have any plans of expanding? I understand you focus on your host communities, but what's the plan going forward?
Thank you very much. Tullow is committed to the continuous support of shared prosperity. Already this initiative has transcended our areas of influence. There are 21 community radio stations that are already picking up as far as Tapa and other areas that are not even within the Western region. They pick the feet and then they in the communities for the children to listen. Going forward, we are still committed to our support for STEM education. Our scholarship programs at the tertiary levels will continue, and also our support to these students in these very difficult times will continue. Thank you very much.
Mr. Encho, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Fifi Encho is a social performance manager for Tullow Limited. They are initiators of the STEM radio school, which they are implementing in remote communities. So that is